Dear students, hello, I hope you're fine. Today I'm going to explain the final speaking project instructions. So number one, the first thing you have to do is go to your ebook and review chapter number 5 and chapter number 6. So in this case, you need to go back to your book, your ebook, your touchstone book and practice chapter 5 and 6. It's really important for the project. Number two, practice simple past tense. So the project is going to be focused on past tense. So please, you need to practice a lot past tense, especially speaking past tense. Number three, make a list of words and phrases from chapter 5 and chapter 6 from your ebook. For example, you can use, like some words like childhood, shabbat at school, best friend, places in the city, child, school days, etc. These words are going to be really helpful for you when you prepare and when you do the project. Remember, it's really important to go to chapter 5 and 6 and get the most important words, those keywords you think are important, in these chapters. 4, practice your speaking skills. So you need to practice before the speaking project, to finish the speaking project, you need to practice your speaking skills. Especially, I need you to speak in past tense. Practice everything in past tense. For example, your school days, for example, your um, childhood memories, everything what you can tell in past tense to practice. This is going to be really important for you. 5, when you get ready, go to Moodle and do the exercise. 6, you will have to record a 4-minute voice message about 4 questions you will be asked in the project quiz. I'm going to explain in a second. 7, you have to send the speaking test within 10 minutes. 8, repeat this video if necessary. Okay, now I'm going to go to the platform. I'm going to go to Moodle. And in Moodle, I am sure you're going to understand everything. So, here in Moodle, you're going to go to chapter number 3, here, and then you're going to click here. Now, you're going to find here, well, this is the video I'm recording. You're going to find it here. You're going to repeat it as I told you. Repeat it if you have questions. Repeat the video many times, so that's going to be easy for you to understand. Now, when you come here, then you're going to click on here. It says, please click here. Okay, you click here. When you click here, you are going to go to the exercise. Okay, so it's really important to do previously, the exercises I told you at the beginning, like 1, 2, 3 days in advance. You need to practice and prepare before you come here to answer the questions for the speaking final project. So, in this case, you're going to have only 10 minutes, no? So remember, once you come here, you need to be ready to answer the questions. Here in this chat, you're going to find 4 questions, and then you're supposed to answer the 4 questions, and you're going to send them in this form. So when you're ready, remember, you're going to come here, click, and then you're going to find 4 questions. Okay, you're going to find 4 questions right here. And what you have to do is to first listen to the question. For example, speak about, okay, well, I'm not gonna give you the full question, but this is one question. Then you listen to the second question. Describe your, okay, well, when you're taking the test, you're going to listen to the question complete, and then you're going to answer. Then you're gonna listen to question number 3. What did you, okay, and finally question number 4. What was your favorite? Okay, so you're going to have, remember, 10 minutes, all right? You're going to have 10 minutes to prepare, the answer for these questions. You need to record 4 minutes. It means 1 minute, every question. So 1 minute, question 1, 1 minute, question 2. And at the end, minimum, you're going to record 4 minutes. Okay, now, how are you going to record it? So you're going to click on here. It says click. So you click on here, and then you're going to find a tool to record. So imagine you are ready, no? You're ready for this, so let's begin. So you're gonna record here. And the first thing you're going to say is like this. Hello, my name is William Villalobos. I'm going to answer question number 1. And then you go to the question, okay? Come to the question, speak about your, okay? So you listen to the complete question and then you give the answer. For example, question number 1 is, tell me about your hobbies. And then you're going to say, well, in my free time, I always go to the movies. I sometimes play basketball. I like to go to, so you're going to answer the question. When you finish, you continue right here. Question number 2, you repeat the question, and then you give the answer. It is really important to give a complete answer, a full answer. It's not only to say yes or no, because you need to prepare, you need to send 4 minutes at the end. Okay, so you're gonna do it like this. So question 1, listen, and then you give the answer. Question 2, listen, and then you give the answer. Question 3, listen, and then you give the answer. And finally, question 4, listen, and you give the answer. When you finished, then you come back here, you stop the recording, then it says here, guardar y compartir, click, and then you're going to find the link. Then again, you're gonna click on here, click, then you come back to the platform, and finally it says copie el enlace de sus respuestas acá y pique en terminar el intento. So I'm going to paste here. Look, if you check it, this is the link from here is the same link, okay? And finally, what I have to do is to send it, terminar intento. Okay, so I send it, and that's it. I finish. Okay, it says enviar de todos modos. Well, then you continue doing the exercise. Remember to finish the exercise, because if you don't finish, it's gonna be really important. It's really important for you to finish the exercise. Now, finally, I'm going to review again. Remember, the first thing you have to do 1 or 2 days in advance before answering the questions. You come here and you're going to go to chapter 5 and 6 from the ebook. You practice the past tense. You make a list of the most important words, because those words are going to be important, when you answer the quiz, the speaking quiz. And then you're going to remember to practice the speaking skills before, before you take the quiz. And also, it's really important, to take into account you're going to have, like 4 minutes for the questions, and then 10 minutes to send the answer. Okay, that's it. If you have any question, you can repeat this video. And if you don't understand, please, I invite you to come to one of my tutoring sessions to explain you exactly what you have to do.